I like to always think about things in a pretty positive manner, as you know. But Sarah, given everything that's going on right now, we're still slowly getting back to maybe the office or moving forward. But where are the opportunities for, clients like ours to really take advantage of estate planning ideas? I mean, some of that you mentioned a lot of different ideas, which have been great, but what are really things that people can be doing right now? Just they had to go out and have their estate plan reviewed, or something that maybe they need to do. What can they do to really make a difference now?
Yeah, a few things. So if they don't have an estate plan at all, this is kind of the good push, right? To go and do it. There's so many things that could change in the next year, in the next few years, that this is the time to start talking through those changes and how you can start planning for that. But it goes to people who put their plans into place years ago as well. This is again the time. There's enough changes there, not just of who you might be naming in your documents or who is a beneficiary, but enough changes in the state, federal, that it would be a wise idea to walk through what your plan is now and get recommendations from advisors like yourself, Mark, though, too, kind of thoughts of what they should focus on, and estate planning attorneys as well. We can give our feedback as what tweaks, what changes should be made. The other piece that I'd reference too, and it ties in somewhat with COVID and people going back to school, is estate planning for individuals, but if they have adult children, so over 18, those adult children should have, at a minimum, powers of attorney in place. So healthcare and financial powers of attorney, and not to be morbid, but they should always have them. When they turn 18, people should have those in place. Without having a power of attorney, healthcare, financial in place, there is no default. A parent does not have the right to, or the ability to talk to a doctor if a child was hospitalized, unless there was a power of attorney in place. And that the parent would otherwise have to go to court and get appointed as a guardian for that 18 plus child. So that's a piece that we're recommending people address, easy to address, very quick, but it covers situations that could potentially pop up. So kind of holistic family reviewing of estate planning.
That's actually a great, that's a great point to wrap up on, because that college aspect, beyond all the changes happening in college right now, I know in our education planning discussions with clients, we bring that up now because I know folks like yourself have said, hey, this is something that is being forgotten and lost or not thought about because it's never been maybe top of mind. And so that's a really good point, because that's something that I think a lot of folks we talk to don't have in place. And so definitely a good, important item to get addressed. But Sarah Ehrhardt, Michael Best, thank you so much for taking the time today. All the discussion's been great. I even learned a lot, as usual, when I speak with you and hearing you talk about these different topics. So I'm sure we'll have you back again as we get CARES Act version 2.0 or 3.0 or whatever comes out of this the rest of this year, next year, and we'll get an update then. So again, thanks a lot for the time, and have a great day.
Yeah, thank you.